Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Ashley and I'm so happy to have you here with me today. Today is actually Vlogmas day 21 and I know I haven't posted for 19 and 20, and the reason honestly is because I just wasn't like happy with the quality of those two vlogs. I just didn't do like enough, and I did go see the Spider-Man No Way Home movie, which was good. Maybe I'll add like that clip in because I recorded it, but I was like, I don't know, like I just wasn't like happy with how they looked, so I'm not just gonna like post random vlogs just because. But today and tomorrow I am fully booked, like, hold on, like super fully booked with appointments. And so I was like, okay, well these 2 days are gonna be good days. So it's these two, and there's dots because there's literally more. Hold on. So it's all of these appointments in the next 2 days. So that's good. But yeah, I just didn't work the last 2 days. It was Sunday and Monday. And I don't know. I just wasn't like happy with them. So now I'm going to my salon right now. Ugh. And I have like facials. What do I have? I have an enzyme facial. I have a chemical peel. I don't know why she's doing that before Christmas, but that's fine. And then 4 brow wax and tints. So yeah, it's a busy day. Sorry, I like moved my steering wheel up so I could drive. But yeah, these will be some good days. So I'll see you guys at my salon. Oh, this looks so cool. I don't know if you guys can see it, but my miles is 12340. But hey, also it's 36 degrees out. Crazy. Okay. And get ready for this facial. I'm so tired. Okay. Parking on the 5th floor sucks. Okay. I'm gonna light all my candles.
I got my head out the sunroof, I'm blasting our favorite tunes. I only got one thing on my mind. You got me stuck on the thought of you. You're making me feel brand new. You're more than a sunshine in my eyes. You got those pretty eyes in your head, you know it. You got me dancing in my bed, so let me show it. You are exactly what I want, kinda cool and kinda not. Wanna give myself to you. Yeah, we're driving down the freeway at night. I only got one thing in the back of my mind. I'm feeling like this might be my time to shine with you, with you, with you. I got my head out the sunroof, I'm blasting our favorite tunes. I only got one thing on my mind. You got me stuck on the thought of you. You're making me feel brand new. You're more than sunshine in my eyes. I got my head out the sunroof. You got me stuck on the thought of you.
So I got my brow wax and facial ready because it's a double. And then this is her robe. Put it right there. Okay. Perfect.
I only got one thing in the back of my mind. I'm feeling like this might be my time to shine with you, with you, with you. I got my head out the sunroof, I'm blasting our favorite tunes. I only got one thing on my mind. You got me stuck on the thought of you. You're making me feel brand new.
I'm getting ready for my second facial, and I'm gonna bring my dirty dishes to the sink and clean them, and then prepare my next facial.
Sunshine in my eyes.
my next one is a chemical peel. So let me get my stuff ready. Let's get this. And I'm gonna get all my products ready for that. And yeah. So I have 5 towels made. 2 of them are going to go in the hot towel warmer, but then the other 3 are not, because with a chemical peel you don't want to put hot towels on their face. So those 2 are going to stay, or those 3 are going to stay cold for when I'm removing the chemical peel. And then these 2 will get nice and warm. But yeah, I'm just going to keep these over here, and then that will be ready for when I'm removing the chem peel. Okay, got it all ready. Here. Okay. Now I need to clean up for my brow waxes. I always make such a bad mess. Let me clean this up. My boyfriend's mom got me the cutest candle. Look at this. It's so pretty. And it smells like pine. It's so cute. I'm just waiting for my clients. Okay, Alexa, off. Okay, I'm gonna go home for a little bit and get some food, and I might go to my mom's house and drop Bentley off at my mom's house so that he can like chill with them while I do my 6 o'clock brow wax. But yeah, I've been here since 10. I'm starving. I think I barely eaten anything today, and it's 3:45. Nice. So let me go home, get some food, and then I will be back. Okay, so I'm home and I just ate like a little snack, but I have to go back to my studio. What's he doing? In literally like 20 minutes. But Kylie and I are going to watch a movie tonight. We're gonna get dinner out, which we don't do very often. Like, get dinner out. I think we both haven't really eaten out like at all this week. But yeah, we're gonna get like a nice dinner. We're gonna watch a movie and maybe drink some wine. So it'll be fun. Nice little relaxation after this crazy day, and after tomorrow's gonna be just as crazy. But yeah, I'm just gonna get ready now to go back to my suite. I bought 6 boxes so that I could wrap stuff. This one is already wrapped, or not wrapped, but it's already boxed. And then open this. Okay, here's one box. Hold on. Go ahead, babe. but at least I boxed them. Okay, I'm back the last time today. Gonna set up, just gonna wash this off really quick. And then today, people, because you guys know about my parking situation, I'm risking it, and I parked in like just customer parking for, because I'm literally gonna be here for like 20 minutes. Like, I want to pay for parking when I already paid earlier this morning, but I wanted to go eat, and now I gotta pay again. It's so stupid. Like, I'm literally here for 20 minutes, so I just quickly parked in. It was like the second floor of the parking garage, which is technically for customers, but nobody's here. Like, the parking garage is empty. But yeah, so I parked there. Okay, let me clean this. You know, this is really annoying. There we go. No tickets. We're good. Thank God. I didn't want to park so far away. Now I'm gonna go home, and Kylie and I are gonna get food, and I think she wants to get a Dr. Pepper from McDonald's, because if you guys don't know, me and Kylie are literally obsessed with Dr. Peppers from McDonald's. Okay? Like, you have to get a Dr. Pepper from McDonald's. It's just so good. Like, we get it with every single meal that we eat out, I swear. So yeah, we're gonna go do that, and then we'll see what we do. Oh, okay, read this and this one. Very nice. Now let me show them our disgusting drinks. First of all, they're out of Dr. Pepper, because I told the vlog earlier that we always get Dr. Pepper because we love getting it with our food. And we didn't even get any ice. It even looks just gross in the camera.
And it's not even completely filled.
Yeah, and it's not even filled. Not even trying to complain here, but...
And we got 3 straws.
Yeah, we got 3 straws. Even your Sprite, too. What?
I think they took sips out of them.
Weird. There's so much missing, and there's no ice. Actually, you know why there's probably so much missing? Because there's no ice.
Yeah.
The ice probably is what makes it...
So they're out of Dr. Pepper and ice.
Yep. Oh, this is going good. Hopefully our food is good from Olive Garden. Sorry. Okay, let me put you doing that. Hold on. It's like not focusing. Okay, focus please.
That's served cold. Oh, ice cube it is.
True. Yeah, we'll just put ice cubes. So, what does the decanter do?
It aerates the wine.
Okay.
That's how I know.
Yeah, I was like, I don't know. I don't know what this does, but it looks cool.
Basically, so you don't have that like bitter taste.
Okay. Ooh.
I'll let that sit for like 30 minutes.
Fancy. It makes it look like it's not that much.
I know. Good.
You could drink the whole thing. Okay, and then our food too. Let's see. Olive Garden. Let's see if we have to heat it up. I don't know. Oh, I forgot we got the soup. Chicken gnocchi. And we actually got Dr. Pepper. We went to a different McDonald's.
You have to.
I know. Let's put it there for now. A feast. Oh, your nails.
It says better chilled.
Huh?
It does say on the bottle better chilled.
Yeah, so I'm gonna put a little ice in there for us. Hey, Benny. Wait. Ice. Oh, wait. Okay. Alright, let me use this decanter. Fancy schmancy.
$13.
Oh, yeah.
Anything.
That's nice. Did I just give us like so much wine? Because I guess there's still a decent amount left. Okay. I know you're painting your nails, but I was showing our wine. And then let me show what we're watching. If it's still, hopefully it didn't go away. Okay, yeah, it didn't go away. Premonition, is that how you say it? Here's the description. He's eating all the ice. I dropped it. I'll show you too.